In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a location name on Google Maps using your PC. Whether you've spotted an incorrect name or just want to make enhancements, editing location names can be an invaluable tool in keeping Google Maps up to date and accurate. The process is straightforward, and once you learn it, it'll help ensure that everyone has access to precise location details. First, let's get started by opening Google Maps on your PC. This is the version you access via any web browser, whether it be Chrome, Firefox, or any other. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, especially the one you usually use for your Google services. Being signed in is essential because Google needs to keep track of who is suggesting the change. Once you're in, it's time to find the specific location you wish to edit. You can do this by either entering the address or name of the place in the search bar at the top, or simply panning and zooming around the map until you spot your desired location. When you've located the spot you intend to adjust, pay attention to the left-hand panel on your screen. You might need to click on the marker of the location on the map to see the full details. Look for the option that says, Suggest an Edit. This button is your entry point to initiating any changes. Once you click it, you'll be presented with a few different options. What we want to select from here is Change Name or Other Details. Choosing this option allows you to modify not only the name, but also other information related to the place. Now you're in editing mode. Here, go ahead and make the necessary changes to the location's name. You can also tweak any other details that might be incorrect or out of date. Perhaps there's been a recent name change, or you've spotted a typo that needs fixing. Whatever the case, ensure your edits are accurate and reflective of current information. It's a good idea to double-check everything before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the changes, the final step is to click Submit. This action sends your suggestion directly to Google for their review. Now, it's important to note that Google does review each suggestion to verify its accuracy, so it may take some time before the changes appear live on Google Maps. They do this to maintain the integrity and quality of information across their platform. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can contribute to the accuracy of Google Maps. It's an easy process, but one that greatly enhances the reliability of navigation and business information for everyone using the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.